Hi guys, we're here at Nacpan Beach. This is the last, I think, destination that we'll have here here in Nido. So just to give you what the place looks like, it's actually a very, very long shoreline. Quite peaceful, not much people at this hour. It's exactly at 9:28 in the morning. There's an activity here where you can rent an ATV, and then there's a couple of islands. They're good waves, actually. The beachfront and the beach, the quality of the sand here is very good. Another thing that's nice is you can actually rent those huts. Those are 400 pesos for both, already with that umbrella, beach umbrella. And then there's a couple of canteens here that you can order some coffee. If you forgot to bring your towel, you can actually rent it for 150 pesos as well. But very chill, very nice as well. It's a good thing we were here quite early. We were here about before 6:30. We're already here. It was a bit drizzling, so that's why, if you can notice, it's a bit gloomy, even if it's already at nearly 9:30 in the morning. But still a good breeze. I decided not to swim anymore. I actually forgot my bathing suit, but my husband is already enjoying the beach and the sand and the waves. So I think that will be about it for Nacpan Beach. See you in the next video. Bye!